As an admin, there are a few things that you can do in the time off section. Number one, you can review, manage, approve, decline time offs of other people. Number two, you can manage and request your own time offs. And number three, you can set time off policy for the whole company. So let's start with managing other people. So there are a few ways how you can see what are the different requests that people made. First of all, here on the left, you will see in the requests tab with the pending status all the time offs that you should reply to that are waiting for your reply. You can change the status to see the ones that are approved, declined, or keep it at pending. So you can definitely see it over here. You can see it also over here in the calendar view. So the pending time offs will be the one with a white background. So you can see this is a pending time off. You can also, there are multiple, there's a daily view, weekly view, monthly view, yearly view, and then there's also a list view. So in this list view, you will see all of the time offs month by month. And from here, you can also just see the actual time off. You can approve, declined, or delete. So from here, again, multiple options. I can press here in the list view, or just press approve over here. So you can see it's now approved. So the second thing is you can manage your own time offs. So you can go to my requests, and here you will see your own time offs. If they're pending, you will see them here, or you can just similarly go to approved or declined. You can press on the request button if you want to request a time off. Let's say I want to get a paid time off, no notes needed. I can choose whether I want it for days or hours. So let's just go ahead and let's set it up for this day. Now, if I had anyone who would be my time off approver, a list of those people will appear over here. Since I don't have anybody who needs to approve my time off, then it says this request will be approved automatically. So I just press send request, get a notification, but you can see it's approved, auto-approved here right away. Lastly, you can always check on the company policy and set the policy. So to check what the policy is, just go here and you'll see your different time off types, how many days in that policy, how many days and hours are left, and if there are any rules about automatic time off approvals, then you'll see it over here. Now, you can definitely, as an admin, you can definitely change this policy for your entire company. To do that, just go to settings section, choose time off, and here this is where you set all of the settings. So again, number of days, whatever those days are, and if you do want to create a new time off, just press on add another time off. You can press here, let's call it emergency time off. Let's just put this over here, save. So I've just added a new time off policy, which is emergency time off. So now anyone that will go to the time off section, when they request it, they will see 3 types of time offs, including this one.